Hello guys, today we were talking with the upcoming release to the Mac Mini M4. Are you a designer or video editor? Maybe you are starting a new project or picking up where you left off, but your desk is cluttered and you need something powerful yet compact. If you are looking for a small device that packs a punch, the Mac Mini with the M4 chip might just be what you're after. This little Mac Mini comes with the Apple's new M4 chip, and trust me, it's got way more power than you'd expect from something so small. Compared to the older M3 chip, the M4 boosts performance by almost 30%. It's got extra cores, handles multitasking like a pro, and memory bandwidth has jumped from 100GB to 120GB second. Neural engine can handle 38 trillion operation per second. To put that in perspective, the M3 could do 18 trillion. The M3 and M4 have 10 GPU cores. The M4 is built with 3 nanometer, which gives it about 13% more graphics power. So if you are into video editing or graphic design, you'll love this, especially because it supports 8K video and even ray tracing super realistic visuals. What about the older M2? Before the M4 come along, the top tier Mac Mini had the M2 chip. Apple skipped the M3 for this model. But let's compare the M4 to the M2. The M4 is 50% faster in CPU tasks and 4x faster in handling graphics compared to the M2. When it comes to AI and machine learning, the M4 is 150% more powerful. It's a huge leap forward. The M4 comes with the 5 USB-C ports, replacing the 2 USB-A ports on the M2. It now has HDMI 2.1 and Wi-Fi 6A support, giving you higher resolution video output, faster internet. The M4 is even smaller than the M2, about the size of an Apple TV. You can literally slip into your jacket pocket and carry it around. It's that portable. Oh, and one more thing. All the new Mac models with the M4 chip, whether it's the Mac Mini, MacBook Pro or iMac, now come with 16GB of RAM as standard. No more worrying about being stuck with just 8GB. Thanks for sticking around. I hope this gives you a good idea of the new Mac Mini with the M4 chip is all about. I'll be sharing more updates soon as they come in. Until next time, take care.